Hey everybody, Steve with Sense Fidelity. I'm just letting you know on another channel, the TLM for Columbia has a lecture of mine that they asked me to come down 2 weeks ago to talk on the liturgical year of Dom Gueranger, and more specifically the Advent part of it, which was a hard subject for the first time ever doing a lecture. I think the last time I did any kind of quote unquote public speaking was in junior college. Yes. Well, I did something in College of Charleston as well. And I don't think I did anything in Aiken. I don't remember. Well, we did. We were more of in front of a bunch of friends and about 12 of us. So I really wouldn't consider that. We were joking around in exercise science classes. But this was a tough topic. Give me some critiques. I think I was nervous as anything right at the beginning of it. Settled down obviously towards the end, and really just read in the middle part from the historical part of Advent that Gueranger wrote. So if you ever read it and tried to read that in front of, I don't know, 50 to 80 people, it's a lot of words that aren't used a lot, names you don't understand, a lot of names that are hard to pronounce. So I really just stuck. I went basically. I'm just going to read right here. I'll look up afterwards, because you're supposed to look up and things like that, keep the audience focused. But I just busted through it. There's four big paragraphs that I used out of probably about 12. Anyways, go to it. I'll have it linked in the show notes. See if you like. Apparently, people liked it. Everyone's giving me good feedback back. Again, I'm very critical of myself, but I'm open for criticism. So send me any if you like underneath in the comment section. But anyways, God love you, and talk to you later.